Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss few practice questions on complex numbers. The first question says express the following in the form a plus ib. So we have 1 plus I into 7 by 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus I into 1 by 3 minus of minus 4 by 3 plus I. So here the first step we have to do is we have to group all the real parts of each complex number. So the real part of the first complex number is 1 by 3. Next, the real part of the next one is 4. The next one is minus of minus 4 by 3, it is plus 4 by 3. Then we have to group the imaginary part of each complex number. So plus I into 7 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. So now I am going to simplify. I am taking the LCM as 3. So 1 plus 12 plus 4 plus I into, taking the LCM as 3, 7 plus 1 minus 3. So this is equal to 17 by 3 plus I into 7 plus 1 is 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 by 3. So the given expression can be expressed in the form a plus ib as 17 by 3 plus I into 5 by 3. The next question. Again it says express the following in the form a plus ib, and the question is 1 minus I the whole power 4. So we can write 1 minus I the whole raised to 4 as 1 minus I the whole square. Now we have already seen about the various identities in complex numbers. So we know that z1 minus z2 the whole square is z1 square minus 2 z1 z2 plus z2 square. So I'm using the formula, or we already know a minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So I'm using that formula and I get 1 minus 2i plus I square on expanding this, the whole square. This is equal to 1 minus 2i. We know I is equal to square root of minus 1 and I square is equal to minus 1. I am substituting here. So I get 1 minus 2i minus 1 the whole square. Here this one and this one cancels out. 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is equal to minus 2i the whole square. This is equal to 4i square. We already know the value of I square is minus 1. So this is equal to minus 4. To be on the safer side, it is better if we write the answer as minus 4 plus 0i, because the question is expressed in the form a plus ib. So the answer for the given problem 1 minus I the whole power 4 equals minus 4 plus 0i. Now the next one we have 4 into 7 plus 5i plus 2i into 7 plus 5i. Here we can simplify directly. Here 4 into 7, 4 into 5i, 4 into 7 is 28 and 4 into 5i is 20i plus 2i into 7, 14i plus 2i into 5i, it is 10i square. So now it becomes 28 plus 20i plus 14i. We know that the value of I square is minus 1. So 10 into minus 1 is minus 10. So here 28 minus 10 plus I into 20 plus 14. 28 minus 10 is 18 plus 20 plus 14 is 34. 34i. So the given problem is expressed in the form a plus ib as 18 plus 34i. The next one, express the following in the form a plus ib. We have minus 2 minus 1 by 3i the whole cube. So I am simplifying. I am taking minus 1 outside and writing 2 plus 1 by 3i the whole cube. Then I am writing minus 1 the whole cube, which is equal to minus 1 the whole cube into 2 plus 1 by 3i the whole cube. We know the formula for a plus b the whole cube. A plus b the whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So here minus 1 cube is minus 1. Here 2 plus 1 by 3 the whole cube is 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square into 1 by 3i plus 3 into 2 into 1 by 3i the whole square plus 1 by 3i whole cube. So this is equal to minus 1 into, here I'm simplifying, this 3 and this 3 will cancel out, 2 cube is 8 plus 2 square is 4i plus 3 into 2 6 into I square by 9 plus 1 by 27 I cube. So this becomes minus 1. Here I can divide it by 3. So here I get 2. Here it is 3. So it is 8 plus 4i. Here I square is minus 1. So this 2i squared by 3 becomes minus 2 by 3. And here I cube is nothing but it is minus I. So minus I by 27, because I is square root of minus 1, I square is minus 1, and I cube is I square into I, which is equal to minus I. So this is equal to minus 1 into 8 minus 2 by 3 plus I into 4 minus 1 by 27. Now this is equal to minus 1 into, I am taking LCM, 8 minus 2 by 3 is, here 8 3s are 24. So 24 minus 2 by 3 plus I into 27 into 4 is 108. 108 minus 1 by 27. Now this is equal to minus 1 into 24 minus 2 by 3 is 22 by 3 plus I into 107 by 27. So the answer for the given question is minus 22 by 3 minus I into 107 divided by 27. So this is the answer for minus 2 minus 1 by 3i the whole cube. The next question we have, find the multiplicative inverse of root 11 plus 3i. In my previous video, I have discussed about the meaning of multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of a complex number is given by 1 divided by the complex number. That is, multiplicative inverse of z is 1 by z. So here the multiplicative inverse of root 11 plus 3i is 1 by root 11 plus 3i. So we are asked to find what is the value of 1 by root 11 plus 3i. So we always know we have to keep the denominator as a whole number. Hence it becomes necessary for us to multiply and divide by the conjugate of the denominator. The conjugate of a complex number z is equal to a plus ib is denoted by z bar is equal to a minus ib. So here the conjugate of root 11 plus 3i is root 11 minus 3i. So we have to multiply and divide by the conjugate, that is root 11 minus 3i. When we simplify, we get, here we have root 11 minus 3i divided by root 11 square minus 3i square. So this is equal to root 11 minus 3i divided by 11 minus 9i square. We know I is equal to square root of minus 1 and I square is equal to minus 1. So this is equal to root 11 minus 3i divided by 11 minus 9 into minus 1, which is plus 9. So this becomes root 11 minus 3i divided by 20. So we should always express a complex number in the form a plus ib. So this is equal to, so 1 by root 11 plus 3i is equal to root 11 by 20 plus I into minus 3 by 20. So this is the multiplicative inverse of root 11 plus 3i. I hope this video was useful for you. In my next video, I'll be starting with the next topic, which is indices and logarithms. First, we will be discussing about indices and then later on logarithms. Thank you for watching.